So there are a few of us on the Telegram Knack channel, and this week Bob Love put an example of how to do a progress bar. So I asked him if he was okay if I did a video, and he said yes. So just going to walk you through how we can do a kind of a graphical progress bar using some of the rules in Knack. So I'm inside the builder and I have an object here called checkup. This is checkup for dogs. And there's various fields, but the ones we're interested in are the percentage complete, which is a multi-choice field, and a progress marker, which is just short text. And as you can see, it has some conditional rules on here. It says 11 conditional rules. And then there's a text formula which joins those two fields together, concatenates those together. So looking at the multi-choice field, if I click on that, it just has some options here of 0% through to 100%. It's a required field and it's set as radio buttons. So the user will simply select an option. On the progress marker, there's a short text field. It doesn't matter if it's required because the user won't interact with it directly. But the key thing is the conditional rules. And the rule is if the percentage complete is 0, then we're showing a custom value of this kind of white square. If the percentage is 10%, then we're a custom value of a red. And then 20% is 2 ambers, 3 ambers, and then we're going to blue, blue and green, purple and green, and whatever colours you like. So how you do these colours, because it's not native in Knack, is if you click into the cell, you can use Windows emojis. So on a Windows PC, hold down the Windows key and the semicolon, and you'll get the pop-up for Windows emojis. And I'm simply using square as a reference here, and just picking up these colours. Now there aren't any customizations you can do with this. You're kind of set with the things you have. But a good thing about this, if I just go back, is you've got the categories similar to kind of iPhone emojis. So you've got these little categories down here, and you can put different things in here, make it a bit more fun. But I've kept it fairly corporate with my squares. But you could equally have circles if you wanted to show your progress bar as dots or something like that. So that's a little shortcut to do that. So this is set up your rules. So for each item, whether it's 10%, 20%, 30%, it will pick up this rule and create that bar. Then the text formula is simply using the fields, put in the percentage complete, which is the value, so 10, 20, 30, and then the image from the progress marker, which comes from the short text. So this is the field that the user will interact with. So we say that's gone to, say, 70%. So that's now updated and the progress marker has been updated. And then the text formula field here has concatenated the two together, so the percentage and the marker. Moving over to the live app, it shows like this. So if I edit, you could obviously do an inline edit on this, but if I'm just going to use a pop-up to edit that and change that to 10%. I've currently got this defaulted to sort by descending order, so it's important that when you concatenate the values that you put your number first, otherwise it won't sort correctly. Okay, well I hopefully found that tip useful. Thanks to Bob for letting me share this with you. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and I'll catch you on the next one.